I'm Dean. I work for Pine Shield. We're a domiciliary care company based in Cardiff. We offer care and support to people in their own homes. We can work with a range of people. Some might need help with personal care, personal hygiene and toileting, or they might need support with their shopping and other social calls or activities like swimming and bowling. It really does vary depending on the person and what they might need support with. Every call is different. If you were invited to interview with Pine Shield, here are some of the questions you might be asked. Can you tell us what you should consider when you're supporting someone in their own home? How do you think you could deal with a challenging situation? We work with a range of people across 8 different age groups, needs and abilities. Can you tell me why you think you might be well suited to working with such a range of people? Can you tell us why timekeeping is so important to this role?